Hey Oksana, this is Viola with Gwinnett SEO, and thank you so much for taking the time out to speak with me yesterday, and thanks for taking the time out to click on this video. Now, I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways that you can improve your website so that you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's pretty simple because there are a lot of business owners out there who just don't have the time to make the internet work for them, and they pretty much, it holds them back from hiring a marketing agency, especially seeing that they don't know who is an expert and who's not, so I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners are able to do this themselves, and some call me back and ask for some help. So if you want some help at the end of this video, then go ahead and give me a call so we could chat. But if you want to go ahead and do this yourself, please do. I'm just trying to help as many business owners as I possibly can. Now, I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, you do have a pretty good looking website. I love how bright it is, the color theme. Okay, I love that you have the immediate call to action up here. But keep in mind though, that Google doesn't care how good looking your website is. Google's concerned, they rank you mostly based on content. So when somebody goes to Google and they type in roofing Atlanta, Google's job is to put them in front of the article that has the most words on it. And typically the articles on this first page here have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page. And they want to be able to put them in front of the article that's going to be able to answer the most of their questions. So for example, on this page, I went ahead and pulled up the one of the top ones, and that's colonyroofers.com, just so you can take a look at their website. And I'm going to scroll through the home page so we can see how much words they have on this home page. And as you can see, they have a good amount of words. They still don't have 1,500 to 2,000, but yet that just tells us that they're very beatable. That you guys do have an opportunity to be able to rank higher than them on that Google search in regards to their content as is concerned. Another thing I want to talk to you about in regards to content is these images. Even though Google doesn't care how beautiful your image is, they do read the image. So when you try to save these photos, you want to save them as different keywords. And when I mention keywords, I'll explain to you what I mean. I'll go over to this tool that I use called Ahrefs, and this just dives deeper into the back end of a website so I can see exactly what's working and what's not working. Just so you know, this says that you guys currently have 26 keywords. Look like you recently ramped it up by 21 within the past 7 days. So kudos to you on that. But these keywords, I'll take a look at your keywords that you actually have on your site. Oh, can't really see them yet. Probably too new to rank. What we'll do, let's jump over to the other company, colonyroofers.com, in this same tool. All right, and let's take a look at some of their keywords that they have here. What we're seeing here, for example, commercial roofing Atlanta. There are 200 people that search for this per month. This company gets 65 out of that 200, and they're currently in the #1 spot on Google. So for example, if you guys do commercial roofing, that would be one of the keywords that you kind of want to save these photos as. They're on residential roofing, but you get the idea. If we find another one that just says roof repairs Alpha Atlanta, 300 people search for this per month. They get 56 out of that 300, and they're in the #2 position. You see what I'm saying? So just being in #2 gets them 56 out of that 300. So that means #3, 4, 5 are still getting a chunk of this 300 as well. So these type of keywords is what you want to save there. Let's go jump back over to this Google search here. And the other thing I want to talk to you about are citations. Sorry. And it's everything underneath this map. We also call it the map pack. And all a citation is basically your business name, phone number, and address listed throughout the World Wide Web across different directories, such as Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yext, Yelp, Angie's List, etc. All these different directories. So the strategy here will be to figure out exactly how many citations the top person has and put yourself in at the same amount. So for example, if Atlanta Roofing has 10 citations, put yourself in 10 citations and then add another 20, 30, 40 on top of that. All right. And that way, month after month after month, you guys will be outranking them, and it will be a lot more challenging for them to catch up with you. So that's the way to win in this area. Because let's be honest, nobody goes past the first page to find anything on Google anymore. All right. And last but not least, this area down here is what we call the organic section. And this has everything to do with backlinks. So I'm going to jump back over to the tool that I was using over here. Let's go to their overview and let's take a look at what a backlink is. A backlink is simply where you have site A and there's a link on it and it links you to site B. And in turn, it drives traffic and it drives value there. This is just saying that there are 300 different websites linking back to this particular website 937 times. The strategy here, actually, before I talk about the strategy, I want to mention to you that not all backlinks are created equal. So, for example, if a pizza company decided to give you guys a backlink, obviously Google knows you guys don't sell pizza for a living. So that won't be as credible as another company that has something to do with homes or roofs, etc. So the strategy here will be to go in and see exactly which backlinks are working for this company, and I will put myself in those same exact websites on those websites and get those backlinks and have them work for me. Because think about it, if you're beating them with backlinks, you're beating them with citations, and you're beating them with content, you're going to start seeing some of this organic traffic, and you're going to start seeing some of this 32K organic traffic value as well. So Oksana and Dom, that's about all I have for you today. Thank you so much for taking the time out to click on this video. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. But regardless, I would love to hear some feedback from you, as I'm shooting a lot of these different videos, and I like to hear what I can do differently or what is working. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.